My name is Tanya Chavez, and I would like to share a quick story of why I want to have a career in education. I am currently a 25-year-old woman. I am the oldest of 3 girls, and I am a first-generation college student. One of my favorite things to do as a little girl was play pretend school. I would gather up with my friends and cousins to play. I would take the role of a teacher, and my friends would be my students. I remember most of my pretend curriculum consisted of math problems and reading books. I would get old assignments I did in class and write the problems on the board and have my friends work them out. I would also read to them any books I had laying around. I had so much fun playing this game as a child. When it came to my personal education as a child, I remember I struggled quite a bit. I did not realize it at the time, but the main reason why I struggled was because I never had someone at home to help me out. It was hard figuring things out on my own as a little girl. Luckily, I continued to push myself, and here I am today. I am about to graduate with a bachelor's degree in liberal studies. I am so proud of myself. As an older sister, I have been able to help my sisters out throughout their educational journey. Someone who's already been through a lot of first times, and now they have someone they can depend on. I have always been able to help them out with their homework and any paperwork they've had any trouble with. The joy I would get as a little girl playing school will now become a reality in my near future. I want to be a teacher students can count on to help push and motivate them. I want to be an inspiration for those first time or firstborn children who sometimes feel lost or think school is too hard because they don't have the academic support at home. I want my future students to feel safe inside my classroom and feel welcome to receive any help they may need. Based on my education throughout college, I learned that being an educator can be a tough career. There are many challenges and hardships that may come with the job, but I am ready to kick butt. Being an educator is my life calling. I am ready to make little Tanya proud.